Hello everyone, we are moving to the difficulty level hard. Let's get started with our first question. The question is string compression. We have similar question is in lead code as well. The input you can see 3 times A, 2 times B and 4 times C. And in the output we have the character and the frequency of that character one by one. So if you have done previous question, the half part of the question, which is to count the frequency, we can do it. You can pause and give it a try. We have to use the hash map and we will count the frequency of each character. Once we have the frequency of each character in map, we will loop through that map and form a string result out of that. So you can give it a try. Otherwise, let's get started. To count the frequency of each character, we will use a map. Key will be character, value will be integer, give it a name map equals to new linked hash map. Why linked hash map? Because we have to maintain the order as well. In the output we have A, B and C in order which was there in the input. So to maintain the order we have to use linked hash map, and then we will use a for loop character ch. We will convert the string to array. To count we have map.put function in which we will pass the key first and the value will become map.getOurDefault key and the default value will be 0. We have already discussed about this function. Semicolon default integer. Yeah. So now we have the frequency of each character. If I show you, let me print it once. System print. I will print the map. Meanwhile, I will just return a incorrect result. And now here we have input 2 times A, 2 times B and 2 times C. So with the code till now we have the frequency of each character. In the map you can see we have one entry A equals to 2, second entry B equals to 2 and C equals to 2 is the third entry. Going back to the code, now what we can do, we can loop through these entries. For map.entry character comma integer entry, and then map.entrySet is the function which will return us the entry one by one. How it will return? First entry will be A equals to 2, second entry will be B equals to 3 something, right? One by one each entry we will get. Now with that entry what we can do, we have to form the result. We will store the result in StringBuilder, a result variable equals to new StringBuilder, right? Now we can observe how we want the key first and after that the value, then again key first then the value. We can do result dot append the key first from the entry. So entry dot get key plus now entry dot get value. From the same entry first we will add the key and then we will add the value, and with the loop one by one each key and the value will be added. Now I will return the result. It's a string builder right now, so we will change it to string value, and now let me run it. So A2, B2, C3 we are getting the output expected. If I increase the value of B, let me run it. A2, B7 and C2. Going back to the code, what we can do, this was just for the understanding purpose. Here we were doing the here we have to 3 concatenations, 1, 2 and 3. Instead of this one, what we can do, dot append This one also works. Result dot append first the key and then again dot append the value. So this is working as expected. This is how you can do this question. It is also there on LeetCode. You can give it a try. Thank you.